Are you struggling to keep your CRM clean and clutter-free? In this video, I'll show you how to organize your lead database using GoHighLevel for maximum efficiency and better results. A tidy CRM is essential for boosting productivity and getting the most out of your leads, so let's dive in. Categorize your leads. Start by organizing your leads by source, engagement level, or custom tags that fit your business. This segmentation will enhance your targeting efforts. Regularly clean up inactive leads. Make it a habit to clean out old leads. Use GoHighLevel's automated workflows to filter and archive inactive prospects, keeping your focus on those who matter. Keep your notes and tasks updated. Stay organized by maintaining detailed notes on every interaction with your leads. Regularly updating tasks ensures nothing falls through the cracks. Automate lead management with workflows. Leverage GoHighLevel's automation tools to streamline lead management. Set up workflows to assign leads, trigger follow-ups, and move them through your sales pipeline seamlessly. Set a consistent lead entry process. Ensure your team follows a uniform process for entering and updating lead information. This reduces duplicates and ensures accurate data for decision-making. Ready to take control of your lead management? Sign up for your 30-day free trial of GoHighLevel now and start optimizing your CRM today. Don't forget to schedule your kickoff call for a smooth start. All the links you need are in the description below. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips. Thanks for watching.